Administrator Arthur Bisnar, not present. Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, Director General Raul L. Del Rosario, AFP, retired, not present. Office of the Special Envoy on Transnational Crime, Special Envoy Marcos Villa Canilao, not present. From the Security and Exchange Commission, we invited Chairman Emilio B. Aguinaldo, and right now, Mami is represented by Attorney RJ A. Bernal,
Present, ma'am.
okay, and Attorney Ferdino Logi S. Santiago, okay, also from SEC.
Pareho kayo galing sa SEC.
Ma'am
Okay.
Desfa was present on March 20. He was present, Ma'am Desfa.
That's Deputy Executive
Executive
Secretary
Secretary for-
Liberato, but we had no opportunity to talk to him. Is that correct?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so ngayon wala
Ma'am.
tayong testigo. Sino pa?
We have Attorney Alexis F. Medina. We also invited retired Police General Oscar Albayalde, not present. Attorney Martin Delgado III, not present. Mr. Adolfo Quizon Paglinawan, not present. General Alex Paul I. Monteagudo confirmed, ma'am, but he's not yet present as of this time. General Fillmore Bondiles Escobar, retired. He was invited but not present. Then we also have Captain Johnny Gulia, not present. Captain Elmo Segovia, not present. Flight Officer Wenilyn Salce Puedes, not present. Flight Officer Elinino Santos, not present. Mr. Benjamin V. Ramos sent his regrets yesterday. That would be all.
Yes, maraming salamat. At katulad nung nakarang hearing, ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon, ito yung sa Committee on Foreign Relations po, i-discuss natin ang clarification of the involvement and the roles of the ICC, the Interpol, and the various government agencies in the arrest of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, confirmation that measures were taken to ensure that the rights of the former president under domestic laws and relevant treaties were properly protected, and lastly, that such other matters that may aid the committee in crafting necessary legislation on the coordination between Philippine authorities and international tribunals and law enforcement organizations.